Hi, I'm Mr. Harry, Assistant Director for the Landstuhl Youth Center, and I want to give you some practical tips, not only to you, but your mom can use it, dad can use it, also if they haven't done it before, but how to officially check the oil in your vehicle. Okay, so we're going to go through the process of checking the oil in your car, because you might have a car one day, you never know your day. But there's a couple things you need to have before you begin to check the oil on the car. So let's go through that first, and then we'll continue on. Couple things you need to have. You need to have paper towel. You need to have gloves because you want to keep your hands clean, because you're going to be going through a lot of oil and some stains here. You need a funnel, and you need the oil, obviously. Now, if you notice on the can of oil, you got 5-weight 30. Between 0-weight 30 and 5-weight 30, 10-weight 30, 15, it goes up to 15. These are the type of oils that you would use in Germany. Now, if it had a higher one, which would be 20-weight 40 or 20-weight 50, those will be in areas of hot conditions. But in Germany, the 30-weight oil is pretty good. What we have right now is 5-weight 30. It could be 0-weight 30, 10-weight 30, or 15 a maximum. So those are the oils that you would use depending on your car. So check your manual before you purchase the oil so you can get the right oil for your vehicle. Once you got your gloves on, you got a piece of paper towel, got your funnel and your oil somewhere else, because I got it still inside the car, we're going to check the oil. Now, how do we check the oil? There's a dipsticks on the left side. Usually most of the cars are on the left side, some of them have them on the right side. But this vehicle is kind of old. This is my old hoopty, so it has it on the left side. And it can be identified. This was identified with a yellow loop. So you're going to pull that out. First of all, you're not going to check it. You're going to wipe it off. Notice it's got these swirls on it. So I'm going to wipe it off and swirling at the same time to make sure I clear the whole dipstick. Once again, this is what we call, once you got it nice and clean, then you stick it back into the engine. Notice the engine's not running, so you got to do this when the engine is off and the oil has cooled down a little bit. Give it about 5 minutes after you run it. Put the dipstick back in and pull it out. Making sure you watch out with the oil level. Now, how do we determine the oil level? With my dipstick, you have 2 points. There's one point, it's a little hole, one point over here, another one over here. This one is just right. The oil is just before the hole to the right. So it says the oil's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. And I usually do it for about twice. You can leave your dipstick out, and you would have to locate the oil so you can put it in. So once you have the oil, you're gonna have to, that's why we always keep our gloves on. So say I got oil all over my hands already, thankfully full of gloves that I have on. You're gonna open up the oil cap. Put that over to the side. And that's why you always have a funnel. Because don't try to be smart and try to pull the oil without a funnel, because you're gonna make a mess. Doesn't matter how perfect you think you are, you're always gonna make a mess. So use the funnel. That way you can alleviate having to make a mess, okay? So you take the funnel, put it in there where you remove the oil cap at, and then you're gonna begin to add oil on it, okay? After the oil's been added, because you're gonna have to be constantly checking the oil with the dipstick to make sure it reaches that right level. Replace the cap. Replace the dipstick. And you're going to check it one last time before you crank that engine. Yes, it's just right between the 2 dots. So we are ready to go. And that's it. So I'm gonna try to have some more tips for you, because I have an old vehicle and it needs a lot of care. Check the oil all the time. Even when rental vehicles, if you're using a rental vehicle, check the oil, because you're responsible for checking the oil, okay? So hopefully this was very informative for you, and we'll meet up next time on another vehicle maintenance from Mr. Harry. Thank you.